Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Corey from Corey's Tech Time, and today we're looking at the JBL Tour Ones. So I picked up the Tour Ones during a Black Friday sale on the JBL website. They had a really good deal. These were 50% off, and the regular price on these is $299, and I picked them up for $149, which is, again, a really good price, at least to me. So as far as features, it features 50 hours of battery life and then 25 hours of ANC on. Also, it features adaptive ANC. It has 4 mics, and the mics sound really good for calls. Also, it has voice control, so you can say "Hey G" and you can talk to the assistant. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So a really nice feature set. It also features fast charging, so you can get 3 hours of use in just 10 minutes as well. And also they feature Google's Fastback, which is something I am definitely a fan of. So yeah, I was looking for something to compare and just have in comparison to my favorite headphones, which is the JBL Club 700 BTs. These headphones sound amazing, and actually they're on sale right now for like 60 bucks, and the regular price on these is like 200 bucks. So I definitely recommend these. So let's get into the actual headphones themselves. So it comes with a case, and this is the case here. It's a hard case. It's not too hard, but it does provide solid protection. It has a pocket on the back, which is nice. And opening them up, you have the headphones here. And these things look really good. It's like a nice matte finish, and it doesn't pick up fingerprints, you know, so that's pretty good. So in the case, you also get a Type-C cable, and you also get cable to connect it. So looking at the headphones, yeah, these things are made nice. I like this nice finish here on the sides, and again, you know, it feels very solid, kind of soft though at the same time. So nice feeling headphones for sure. And then you have some branding right there, and then right there. And then just taking a tour around the headphones, we have the power button here, the volume rocker, the headphone jack, and that's pretty much it on that side. And then also on the left side, you have the function button as well, so you can talk to the assistant. Also, and I forgot to mention this, on the right side, this whole surface here is touch capacitive, so you can touch to play and pause and to skip tracks. So really good feature set. It also features, before I forget, you can play and pause by just taking them on and off, which is a nice feature as well. And yeah, as far as features, this is really nice. What you get inside the ear cups, you got right and left, and the ear cups themselves feel really nice. And then the top part, it's like soft as well. So yeah, very well made headphones. No creaking, very premium feeling. I really like what JBL did here. And yeah, as far as the sound on these, I found the sound to be very warm. The vocals come through nice. The bass is not quite as good as I'm used to, especially after listening to these for so long. But the bass is nice on these, so they're just not as prominent. The details is good. You can hear like all the instruments, and they sound very detailed and crisp. So sound wise, to me, not as good as the 700 BTs, but it is nice. It is a nice sound that you get with these. It also features like a high res audio. The same can be said for the JBL Club 700s. They have the same high res audio feature as well. But yeah, I mean, really well made. I like how when you touch and you hold, you can turn on and turn off the ANC, and it will tell you. And then yeah, I mean, just a really good headphones. You know, I've been using these for 3 weeks. I want to continue to test them, maybe for another week or two before I do any like review on them. But just wanted to share my first impressions and thoughts with these headphones. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave them for me in the comment section below. But yeah, guys, this is it for this one. Again, really nice. I think if you can find these on sale, they're definitely worth a look. So with that, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.